say is the distinction between kind of maybe where your work ends and an HR consultant may come in? I know that can be a bit of a gray or a fuzzy line, but what have you seen most commonly?
When I've worked with PEOs, I mean, we try to communicate pretty well with them. And it's what I would say is really that compliance versus legal is kind of like where that line, like if there's anything compliance, like, okay, you're onboarding somebody, you're going to make sure that they get that all the paperwork gets signed, that
You're
they
sending the right
acknowledge the
forms to
handbook.
the state. Yeah.
Exactly. All the paperwork, like you need the I-9s and all that. So the PEO is really great about all of that. And then we will typically come in. But lots of times, like if they say, okay, there's an update coming out, or if something needs to get updated, or if there's a legal question, that will often come to us. Or they'll ask us, they'll say, hey, will you create the contract or update this contract? Or they'll have us do the actual legal work. And then they will handle a lot of the administrative side of all the employment compliance, it's a lift. It can be a lift. It doesn't have to be, but it can be a lift depending on the size of your team.